Hey everyone, it's me, Starman. Today, we find ourselves at a pivotal moment in our world of shapes. I can feel the change in the air. The same streets that once buzzed with the gentle hum of harmony among rectangle, oval, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon, decagon, ellipse, rhombus, trapezoid, parallelogram, kite, rhomboid, star, crescent, and heart now whisper rumors of something darker on the horizon. I've noticed it too, Starman. Our once peaceful society is shadowed by tension. There's a dangerous rumor swirling about a gang of criminal shapes who believe they're superior, looking to capture and control us all. It's unsettling to think such forces could disrupt our unity.
I feel it deep in my curves, too. I believe in community and inclusivity, so the thought of anyone being sidelined or harmed is simply not okay. We have to understand these threats and stand together to protect every one of us.
I admit, I've heard whispers about a plot brewing. As someone who's always been sharp and aware, I can't ignore that danger. Even if some might think my angles hint at harshness, I'm driven by a purpose, one that sees through the chaos coming our way.
Exactly. And while it's tough to face, this new reign of terror forces us to confront the shadows head-on. We must be vigilant and ready, because these criminal shapes are on a mission to dominate all other shapes, and that means every corner of our world might be in peril. And in these moments, our strength lies in our diversity. Different shapes have different talents. I, with my reliable square structure, feel prepared to stand my ground, even if sometimes I'm a bit stubborn in my approach.
I'll be here to help smooth over any cracks that appear in our community. When everyone works together, our differences become the very thing that binds us. I'm all for nurturing unity and making sure no one feels left out.
And I, with my sharp perspective, will keep an eye out for any signs of deceit or danger. My dynamic shape lets me move swiftly, and I'm ready to act if things start to spiral out of control.
That's the spirit. Now, let's talk about the enemy. News from the corners of our world tells of criminal shapes who aren't satisfied with just blending into the background. They believe they're meant to rule and are capturing shapes who dare to challenge their twisted hierarchy. I've seen distress in the faces of our fellow shapes, trapezoid and rhombus, parallelogram and kite, all expressing fear. It's clear these villains are not just playing around, they're orchestrating a calculated campaign of terror.
I listened to some of the whispers myself. They said these criminals are moving swiftly, targeting communities in different regions. The thought of our beloved shapes in danger is heartbreaking. We must ensure that every oval and ellipse is safe, that every heart and crescent gets a chance to shine.
I can't help but observe that while there may be a cold, calculated method to their madness, their actions are unpredictable. One moment, it's a minor confrontation in the back alleys of our world. The next, it escalates into something far more chaotic. We must be ready for every twist.
That leads us into the battle. We cannot allow them to keep instilling fear. I'm rallying my friends here for a strategic move, an alliance that will protect our communities and restore the balance we once cherished. I'm ready to stand as the rock of our defense. My structure is solid, and I'll help organize our protective measures. Even if plans get complicated, I know every detail will count in our struggle to push back against this tyranny.
And I'll be the heart that binds our alliance. I'm here to keep the unity strong and ensure everyone stays safe, providing comfort when things get too overwhelming. It's not just about defense, it's about building connections and trust.
I'll use my quick thinking and readiness to adapt as situations evolve. I'm determined to confront every risky challenge head-on. Sometimes, being vigilant and ready to take action is what separates our survival from complete chaos.
Together, we'll take these criminals by surprise. I'm leading our team on the front lines, and with all of you by my side, I truly believe that we can overcome this threat. We will engage in an epic showdown where our strengths, my charisma, your unity, your reliability, and my own sharp instincts, combine into a force too powerful to ignore. I can already see the turning tide. As we push back, our combined efforts echo across the streets, restoring hope among every shape. Even in the heart of battle, every small victory leads to a brighter future.
I agree. Each conversation, each act of courage, ripples out to remind every rectangle, oval, and triangle alike that we are not alone. Our shared history of peace and mutual respect will guide us forward.
Even with the unpredictable nature of what's to come, I believe in our ability to overcome. My sharp eyes have seen the weaknesses in our foes, and I'm ready to strike when necessary. I'll stay nimble, and I trust that all of you will do what you do best.
As the battle rages on, our heroic actions not only shield the vulnerable but also remind our entire community that there is always hope. Let's carry this lesson forward as we rebuild and mend the bridges torn down by fear. Our world is far from perfect, but together, every shape, every friend, can ignite a spark of change. I'm confident that our shared determination will lead us forward to a renewed and secure society.
So let's keep our hearts open and our spirits strong. I believe in our unity, and I know that together, we can overcome any darkness that threatens our colorful, connected world.
Let's move forward as one. Our journey continues, and with each step we take together, we build a legacy of resilience and hope for generations of shapes to come.